Hi, today I am going to explain cash book. So generally cash book has three different types. First one is single column cash book, second one double column cash book, and third one triple column cash book. Cash book is very important, which is required to record all the cash transaction. Every business organization, they used to prepare the cash book in order to know their cash position. So let me explain with an example. So while you prepare the cash book, see that debit side is called receipt, credit side is called payments. So all receipt will be recorded debit side, all payments will be recorded under credit side. So the first one, just see the illustration. First one, commencement business with cash. What is the entry for that? Cash accounted to capital. Enter capital in cash book debit side because it is a receipt for the business. To capital. How much? 24,000. Then second entry. Just see the second entry. Bought goods for cash. What is the entry? Journal entry. Purchase accounted to cash. Under cash book credit side, by purchase. Because purchase is a payment, it is an expense. While you purchase any goods, you need to pay cash because it is a outflow of cash. Any inflow is called receipt, that will be recorded debit side. Any payment, it's a outflow, that will be recorded under credit side. Purchase how much? 6,000. Then third entry, sold goods for cash. What is the entry? Cash accounted to sales. To sales. 11,200. When you sell something, what comes in? Cash comes in. So it is a receipt. So enter sales under debit side. That is receipt side. Then next entry, paid into bank. That is deposit into bank. What is the entry for that? Bank accounted to cash. Under cash book credit side, by bank, because it cash outflow. When you deposit cash into bank, cash outflow. 2,500. Next, purchased furniture. What is the entry? Furniture accounted to cash, by furniture. 9,600. Next, received commission. Received commission is a income. It is a receipt. So enter debit side. To commission. Next, paid telephone charges. It is an expense. So payment side, by telephone charges. Next, drawn from bank. That is withdrawing amount from bank. It is a inflow of cash, that is receipt. To bank. After entering all receipts and payments, you need to close the accounts. So usually while you close and while you balance the cash book, you will get credit balance because debit receipt side will be more than the payment side because you are going to pay the amount from the receipt. So always you will have credit balance. By balance carry down. Just take the total. 39,740. Put the same value under credit side also. 39,740. You will get balancing figure. 21,340. This is closing cash balance. This will be the opening cash balance for the next month. So you have to transfer this to next month. Opening balance. To balance brought down 21,340. This is the way to prepare simple cash book, that is single column cash book.